in Casual Wear.
Again, Miss STI.
Miss SDI, Best in Casual Wear, is none other than Bini number. Congratulations, Bini number 8, Geraldine Zamalaco. To be awarded by Miss Jeanette Sanuan and Mr. Jinses Bunyola.
And one of our judges, Miss Joanna Estuaria.
Once again, congratulations to Bini number 8.
Joining her as the best in casual wear and production number for the Mr. SI category. Again, Mr. SI category. Do you have any bets? SI, do you have any bets? The best in casual wear and production number is Mr. SCI candidate number 3, Jeremy Joshua Santos. Awarding the award is Mr. Martin Lacruz and Miss Jeanette San Juan. The next award is Best in Streetwear.
This year's Miss SDI College Rosario 2025 Best in Swimwear is none other than
Who's your man, SCIers?
Bini number 8, Geraldine Zamalaco.
Awarding the award is Mr. Carl Balao and Miss Jeanette San Juan. Congratulations, Geraldine. Joining her for the Mr. SDI Best in Casual Best in Streetwear rather is none other than Mr. SDI candidate number 3, Jeremy Joshua Santos. Awarding the award is Miss Joanna Estuaria and Miss Jeanette San Juan. The next award is
Our next special award is the Best in Formal Wear. This year's Miss SDR College Rosario 2025 Best in Evening Gown is none other than Bini. Once again, we would like to thank you, our dearest sponsor for today, Mr. Prince Arken Morales. Thank you so much. Again, this year's Miss SDI College Rosario Best in Evening Gown is none other than Bini. Bini
San Juan.
Hakot Award.
Hakot Award. Tama ba?
Yes, because we only have 3.
I think it's the first ever history that someone here in local competition had a three special awards.
Joining her is the Mr. SDI Best in Formal Wear.
Mr. Reza, who excludes the most confident is Mr. SDI candidate number 3, Charity George Santos.
3 awarded by Mr. Carl Barrow and Ms. Jeanette San Juan.
And that is all your special awards. But before everything else, we would like to award the certificate of participation. Awarding the award is Ms. Jeanette San Juan, Mr. Jins Espinola, and Miss Aubrey Familia.
Let us read the content of the Certificate of Participation. Certificate of Participation is awarded to Stephanie Ocajes, Janina Raya Cadamas, Geraldine Zara Olaco, Ayesha Ranz, Ariel Ann Patelio, Ayesha Kilchi Novero, Rosemary Clamor, Gemma Fel Saclolo, for participating in the Miss SDI College Rosario SDI Talent Search 2026 local level competition given at SDI College Rosario SDI Building, General Trias Drive, Tejero, Rosario, Cavite on this 11th day of September 2025. Signed, Ms. Sandy R. Malato, MBA, Academic Head, SDI College Rosario. We will also present the Certificate of Participation to our Mr. SDI candidates.
Wayne Christian A. Vilma, June Carlos Inado B. Asistio, Michael James B. Dever, Andrew M. Belenio,